Welcome back to the murder house, care of Ruby. Chapter 1. The scene starts with the summer season in the month of May, which every child loves for holidays. Now, our 5 friends Alex, Elizabeth, David, Andy, and James are spending their vacations not so excitingly but in a boring way. So they plan to go on a camp to a park. They decided to start at afternoon on cycles since it rained cats and dogs at morning. So they reached at evening, but all the parks were closed due to heavy rain. Even after searching many parks for camping, they didn't find any park open, so they decided to head back to their homes. Now, while going back, they were about to bump into an old lady and she got scared and fallen down. Then the friends helped her to sit while she asked them what they were doing at this dark night here. So they reply her that they came for camping, but due to heavy rain, all the parks were closed and are heading back to home. Then the old lady says that it's dangerous to travel in this dark night, so she suggests them to stay back in a house which is in between the city and forest tonight. But they didn't show interest to stay there but wanted to stay in a small room which they noticed earlier in the forest tonight. After some time, they reached there and did arrangements to sleep. Now again it rained heavily and the water started leaking from the roof since it's an old house. The 5 friends got wet and were all frustrated. So they decided to go to the place which the old lady suggested and reached there. They stood outside gate of the bungalow and observed it. It is a very big bungalow with beautiful lawn outside, but it looked mysterious with dried leaves all over the lawn. They entered inside and soon they dried themselves and arranged to sleep in the shed-like structured place with open walls. Now all of them fell asleep, but Andy and James were awake and planned to prank with David since he is a fearful boy. They silently went to David, picked him up, and threw him into the house and closed the doors. Soon after that, many screams were heard from the house, and due to that, Alex and Elizabeth woke up. When they asked them, they told everything happened. Then in anger, Alex shouted on Andy and James for their stupidity. Suddenly, a loud scream is heard from the house and the sound stopped. From there, while they got scared and shocked, Alex and Elizabeth decided to go into the house while Andy and James denied to get into the house. But after some arguments, they all decided to go into the house. After getting into the house, they started searching each and every room thoroughly, but they didn't find anything. Finally, they reached a room where they find a slashed hand in front of it. They went forward and on observing the hand, they find a tattoo on it and recognize it as David's hand. They all get frightened and shocked. Soon they enter into the room and the door gets closed. And on the door, we can see the line, "No exit." If you want to find the mystery of the room, then wait for Chapter 2. Chapter 2, Coming Soon.